Hey guys, Nav here, and today I am back with another video. If you looked at CoinMarketCap last night, or this morning, sorry, you'll see that Ripple's going on another run. It just hit $3.17 on CoinMarketCap, about half the market cap of Bitcoin. Same with Cardano, went on a big run past that day, 35%, and Stellar Lumens and NEM also big runs from all of those coins. I see this as an opportunity to get into Bitcoin more, as well as some of the other altcoins. The reason I'm going to get into Bitcoin more is because once people start moving their money out of these altcoins, they're going to go right back into Bitcoin, and we're going to see a huge run up from Bitcoin again. If we look at the chart for Bitcoin here, let's pull this up. Bitcoin, the US dollar. We're going to pull Bitcoin up here, and I'm going to show you guys how it broke the pattern here. So up on the 1-day chart, we can see there was a descending triangle pattern here, something similar to this. Let's draw a line right here, and close enough. And then another line here. Ooh, why wouldn't this stay? Okay, good enough. And then something like this. So, it broke out of this pattern. Maybe this will be something closer to this, actually. And broke out of the descending triangle pattern that I had predicted it would, and I suspect we're going to see a run up again from Bitcoin as people take their profits from Ripple, from Stellar Lumens, from NEM, and move it back into Bitcoin. So I see this as an opportunity to get into Bitcoin, and then I'm also going to get into, I think, IOTA. I'm going to put, I'm only depositing $1,000 today, so I'm going to put 500 into Bitcoin. I'm going to put 250 into IOTA. And then one of the other ones, the smaller ones, I'm going to go with is Bread. Bread, I believe, is on Binance, hopefully. Yeah, so Bread is on Binance. I'm going to hop into Bread at this price and hopefully see some good profit from that one as well. So let's do this right now. I'm on cex.io where I buy my Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So I'm going to deposit US dollar. I'm in Canada, so I'm going to do it from Canadian dollars. So 1,000 Canadian dollars is 797 US dollars. So let's hop back on CX.io. I'm going to go close this and reopen it because it's not loading. Perfect. So 797 US dollars. And I'm going to pay by credit here. So they're going to be 826 commission. Commission's quite heavy, so you know what? Let's lower this to 780. 770. Just trying to get this under 1,000. 760. No, not 7,000. 760. 787. Yeah, I guess we can go 770. Should be able to. There we go. So we're putting in 769 US dollars. I'm not sure why these aren't loading. Yeah, okay, not bank transfer. Perfect. So 769 US. I'm going to choose my Visa. I'm going to blur this out so you guys can't see this, but never mind. Blocks it anyways. Perfect. Deposit that. Wait for that to load. Loading right now. Perfect. Deposited and submitted. Cool. So we should have 797 US dollars. 769. So that's what we're gonna play with now. So we're gonna go back to the buy sell, and so 769 is how much? 769 is 964. So I'm gonna put 500 into Bitcoin. Where are we here? So 500 US dollars, 500 Canadian dollars is what? 398. So we're gonna put $398 into Bitcoin here. So 398 gets us 0.02 Bitcoin, and we're going to buy that. The reason I'm not going to buy all Bitcoin is just because I'm going to use Ethereum to buy my altcoins, just because I find it's cheaper, the fees. So 398 US dollars of Bitcoin, and I'm going to confirm that order. Perfect. I bought that much Bitcoin, and let's refresh. I should be left with $371, and I'm going to buy all of that into Ethereum. So we are buying how much? 371. 371 point. Can I buy 103? That's good. Okay. That gives us 0.3 Ethereum, and we're going to buy that. Perfect. So now that we have Ethereum there, I'm going to transfer my Ethereum to my Binance. Okay, so now that I'm on Binance, just logged in, I'm going to go funds, deposit withdrawals, and I want to deposit. Okay, thanks Binance. Okay, weird. Load please. Let's try that again. No, why is it? Okay, there we go. So I have barely anything in Ethereum right now, but I'm going to deposit more Ethereum. Why is it? There we go. Okay, copy that address, and I'm going to go back to this, and I'm going to withdraw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load all my Ethereum onto Binance, and I'm going to buy, with Ethereum, I'm going to buy IOTA and Bread. So I should have 0 Ethereum left, and then I'm going to transfer my Bitcoin from my cex.io to a Bitcoin wallet, Exodus, just to store it there for a while. Although it will cost me $40 to transfer that, but that's okay. And yeah, I'm going to buy Bread here. You know what? I might not buy Bread actually. I'm for sure going to buy IOTA, just as I've seen NEM do a run up, I've seen Stellar do a run up, I've seen Cardano do a run up, and we've seen Ripple do a huge run up. I think IOTA has the potential to make the same run up very soon. These have all had their chances, the top 6, top 7. So I'm ready for IOTA to make a run at this. I did buy Cardano at 73 cents about a day ago, and I'm going to hold that for the long term. I threw that into a Cardano wallet. So just a little update on that. I did buy Cardano. Not sure why this is not loading. I'll click trade. There we go. Oh, can I just buy it on here? No, you can buy Ripple on here though. Cool. I didn't actually realize this had all these coins on it. The more you know. Okay. Anyways, I want to send the money. I don't often use this platform, but let's try this. I want to. Okay, good. Phew. Ethereum, and I have that much available. We're gonna send all of that. Jeez. Okay. Enough. Perfect. And the address is. Let's go back to here. Copy this address again, and let's paste that address there. Let's confirm the address real quick here. 0x25, 0x25. Okay, good. And I'm going to withdraw that money. And I'm going to get the code right. Withdraw confirmed. I'm going to check my email right now, and so I should have 0 Ethereum here, or 0.34. That's what I have currently, so it should update. But I'm going to check the email real quick and confirm that. Okay, cool. So I confirmed the email, and now I refresh the page, and we have 0 Ethereum left, which is exactly what we wanted. So now that I'm back on Binance, the money has been transferred over. That took about 20 minutes, a little longer than I expected. But in that 20 minutes, I've actually changed my mind. I'm still going to buy IOTA with my the money that I transferred here, but I'm not going to buy Bread anymore. You know, I think Bread still has potential, but I've been looking at Tron just in the past 20 minutes, and I think this has greater potential. Currently sitting at 15th place, TRX, a market cap of $6 billion, circulating supply of just over 65 billion, and I think that's still a good buy for me. I see big things with Tron happening just in the past 20 minutes that I've been looking at it. I think it's just a little bit of a gamble. Let's zoom back into 1 day here. Yeah, so actually 7 days better. Looking at it now from the 7-day chart, big run up, and it's been bouncing. You know, I think it's just going to continue to do the same thing. It hasn't broken any specific lows, and it's all-time high. You know, a big pullback as we usually see with altcoins, and then it's just been bouncing off this level, and it's a constant increase. So, you know, I'm going to put some money into that. So I've got the $320 US, which I'm going to divide into 170. Sorry, not 170. 160. Sorry. Each, and I'm going to put 160 into what is it called? Sorry, IOTA, and 160 into Tron. So I currently sit at a balance of 0.3396, etc. Ethereum, and we're going to go buy some Tron and some IOTA. So let's hop on here, and we want to buy IOTA. IOTA symbol, I'm actually not sure. That's a good question. Let's just hop on here. IOTA. MIOTA. All right, so did not mean to close that. Okay, that's okay. MIOTA. I want. Let's not do this. All right, so I'm on Binance. Pulled up the IOTA to Ethereum chart, and I want to buy IOTA. So I'm going to buy 50%. That should be amount 40 IOTA. Should give us 0.16 Ethereum costs, which I believe is correct. I'm actually not 100% certain about how much I have in here. I'm going to pull this up again and just do this one more time. Binance, and I'm going to click on myself just to see, just to confirm. So 0. Yep, that should be correct. So I'm going to buy 50% of my Ethereum into IOTA. That gives us that. So I'm going to buy IOTA. Boom, that should process now, and I'm going to go and buy Tron now. So TRX Tron to Ethereum, and I'm going to buy 100%, which whatever is left. That'll give me 1,750 Tron tokens, and I'm going to buy that. Perfect. So now, if that all processed properly, we should be able to go to deposit and withdrawals and see that I now have $320, same amount. I own 39 IOTA. I own that many Ethereum, which is literally nothing. And sorry, this many Ethereum, literally nothing. 39 IOTA, and then my Tron should update here. I don't know if it's going to pop up, but nope, hasn't updated yet. So that order has not gone through. Yep, 0% filled. So I'll wait for that to fill, and then I should own IOTA as well. So I'm going to hold those for a while. I'm going to put them into wallets probably. We'll see. Not sure. It's not a lot to lose if I don't put it in a wallet, but that is what I just bought today. So yeah, you guys saw me go through the whole process of buying Bitcoin, transferring it to Binance, buying altcoins, and those are the altcoins that I'm buying today. $1,000. That's what I would recommend doing. $1,000. You do a safe bet of Bitcoin. I'm not sure if it's in my wallet yet, but safe bet of Bitcoin. A more volatile one like Tron, and then a less volatile one, but still volatile, such as IOTA. Let's hop onto my Exodus wallet here. So I transferred whatever Bitcoin I bought into my Exodus wallet, which is at 0 right now. Still hasn't come in. So in 10 minutes or so, it'll show up here, and I'll have whatever Bitcoin. Should be about $500 worth of Bitcoin dropped in there. So that's it for today's video. Let's refresh this. Nope, still isn't filled, but it'll fill. I'm not too worried. And we'll have that in our portfolio as well. So right now, all I hold is Cardano, Ripple, no Ethereum. I hold Bitcoin, Tron, and IOTA. And I'm going to hold those for a while, and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Hope you found some opportunities to invest your $1,000 if that's what you're starting with.